Right, so here's what we've got going on. We got the angle beads on, ready for the render, which will be happening soon. Building up the block wall. Just finished pointing it. More angle beads ready for the render. Got steel beams going in. Driveway going to be coming through. All of this being replaced with the block paving. Over here doing the same thing with the block work. Building up the walls, Tony there. We've got our friends doing the welding and the cutting of the metal. Hi guys, so we're just on this job at the moment. It's a driveway extension. You can see over here we've got these wall starter kits. We've had to place these in so we can bond the block to the wall, as the previous builders used thermalite blocks that weren't connected. So we've had to mend that issue. And then from there we are building onto the wall. And we've got a friend over there cutting and welding the steels. Having fun. But it's going well, it's a lovely day. I've been doing the labouring, so so yeah, all these blocks, my muscles, we're permitted to use this on it as well. And then once these are all rendered and stuff, we will place the grey pier caps. So if you have a look here, got the big steels coming through, all being welded together at the moment. They're all resting on these concrete pads that we prepared yesterday. 1, 2, 3. Took out a section of the wall there to place it in, obviously, and that's built back in. Our friend Malcolm is cutting and welding them all together, and this will support the driveway that is going to be extended.
Guys, back on our job in Paignton, driver extension. This is progress. Young William here.
Hello.
What he's doing is mixing up our primer. So we like using this one, Marshall's paving primer, because we've got to fit all these pier caps, and the caps go onto our blocks, like so. So we've got 2 pier caps here, caps going across the wall, another pier cap, another 3 pier caps over there, and an infill in between on top of the blocks. We've got grab lorry coming today to remove all this. That's our muck at the minute. We've done at the minute these couple. William's priming up the underside of the pier caps. If you don't use this, basically it's all to pop off very easily if you knock it. So if you haven't got any primer, you can always use SBR and neat cement. It's another way of doing the same thing. Like I said, the Marshall's primer we try and use all the time because it's the best product. And so these only laid a second ago, grabbed already. That's the difference. If you don't do that, you can just pull them straight off.